It is year 2 playing with Lavish for Spicemas 2026. Let's get into this full unboxing video. First up is our Juve package, Juve cup. And then it does come with some number 5 Westerhall rum. We have some jab wash and then a little scrub. So these go together for the oil. So we have our jab helmet. Do have a waterproof phone case, so this is going to come in very handy for Juve. So this bag has our Monday wear and also our pretty mask costume. So this is my outfit for Monday mask. These are for our hands, like right there. So this is how it will look. So next up is Monday night mask. So these are going to be all the things that are glowing or lighting up. So we already have a sword. Y'all, they gave us like this hat that is going to light up, and you could see the Lavish logo here as well. This is gonna go with your Monday night package. And we have our cup for Monday. This all goes with the cup. Super cute for the tropical theme. So this is nice. And then we have this as well, which also is going to light up. And then we do have some light up shades again this year. Mine last year was an orange, and this year I have a pink. I am actually in the section Aura this year. My costume is purple, which is actually my favorite color. Just kind of show you guys what it's going to be giving. There's a lot of pieces, y'all. Do have a headpiece again this year, which I'm happy about. I just love the headpieces for costumes. I also already have my fanny packs packed in here for both Monday and Tuesday. So I just have them packed in here already. And then I also have my stockings in here, which are the ones that I brought. My stockings from Carnival Kicks. And then I also got my fishnets from Carnival Candy. Let's get into the goodie bag for 2026 with Lavish. This is the Lavish backpack goodie bag that we got. Mini fan. Wow, a blender, you know. Exfoliating gloves. We have this little gadget from Digicel. I think this is like one of those drink holders, maybe. Yeah. We got some snacks. It's definitely another one of those like beach towels things, because Lavish did give us one of these last year and I love using it. It says Spicemas 2026. A small Lavish towel. We have a little pouch, and this looks like it comes with like pasties, a little mini like sewing kit. There is also like hand sanitizer. There's a feminine wipe, a panty liner, band-aid, and like a Lavish sticker. They have covers, probably an umbrella with a Lavish umbrella. There's still more in here, so let's keep going. So we have a Lavish water bottle here. This is so cute, y'all. See what this little pouch is here? Are these like exercise? Yeah, these look like those exercise bands that you get. This is what we have for our Lavish cup this year. Life in the tropics is the theme, LITT. So yeah, this goes with this. We have a Lavish mirror right here. Also got this little handy dandy measuring tape. We got a little nude underwear here. We also got a little Coca-Cola keychain, a Lavish hair clip, a little mini jab Lavish keychain as well. Very own a Lavish piggy bank. Lavish Funds 2027. That's the last thing that is in the goodie bag.